Do you want to add a poll to the Instagram story? You can create a vote poll in your Instagram story with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to add a poll in Instagram story. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. Adding a poll to your Instagram story is a great way to engage with your audience, gather opinions, and increase interaction. To add a voting poll on your Instagram story, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and log into your account if you are not already logged in. Once you are on Instagram, tap on your profile picture at the top left corner of your feed or swipe right from anywhere in your feed to open the camera. Now, take a photo, or choose a video or picture from your device gallery to use as the background for your poll. You can also use a plain color. Once you have selected, you will see the sticker icon at the top of the screen. Tap the sticker icon. In the sticker panel, find and tap on the poll sticker. If you don't see it, use the search box to find it. A default poll sticker will appear with Ask a Question Yes and No options. Tap on the question text to enter your custom question. Once you have added your question, tap on the Yes and No options one by one to customize the answers if desired. You can change the color by tapping on the color icon at the top on the screen. Drag the poll sticker to your desired location on the screen. You can also resize the sticker using your 2 fingers if needed. Once you are happy with your poll, share it on your story. By following these simple steps, you can easily add a poll to your Instagram story and engage with your followers.